हेलो एवरीबॉडी। थोड़ा लेट हो गया, 1 मिनट, बिकॉज आई एम ए टीचर as well as the cameraman. That is why I was late. And today I'm going to tell you some tricks on integration. And every day I will give you one trick. And upon that trick, I will give you some examples. Clear? And I am feeling very unhappy because you are not giving any comments. You are not. That means you should say something in the comment box. Whether my teaching is good or my teaching is bad, or you want to ask some questions. Please sir, solve these questions or do this question or how to solve these questions. You should say something so that I will be encouraged. And I will give more and more formulas. Clear? And it will be benefited for you and for other students also. So please give some comments. Okay, thank you. See here. I want to say you today what is the integration of ax plus b to the power n into dx. First of all, I will tell you the formula. That means I will prove the formula and then we will do some examples. Clear? See here. The formula is 1 by a into ax plus b to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Condition is n is unequal to minus 1. Here. So how to prove this formula? See here, integration ax plus b to the power n into dx. So let x plus b is equal to t. So differentiate both the sides. A into dx is equal to dt because the derivative of b is 0. And what is dx? Dx will be 1 by a into dt. So it will be equal to t to the power n. Here t to the power n into dx, and dx is 1 by a dt. So write dt here. And I am taking 1 by a outside because it is a constant. So now already it is known to you x to the power n into dx, that is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here t to the power n into dt. So what is the formula? T to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. But the question is in the form of x and the answer is in the form of t. So you should write what is the value of t? X plus b. So it is equal to 1 by a into x plus b to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. 1 by a x plus b to the n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Then n is unequal to minus 1. Why you are taking n is unequal to minus 1? Because p by q. In case of p by q, q must be unequal to 0. And if n is equal to minus 1, then the denominator will become 0. If n is equal to minus 1, then the denominator will become 0, which is not defined. So n must be unequal to minus 1. And if n is equal to minus 1, then I will tell you. Here, see here. Now, question is that how to write this formula and how to put this formula directly. Here the coefficient of x is a. In integration, in each and every formula, see the coefficient of x first. If the coefficient of x is a, then you should write in the answer 1 by a. 1 by a should be present always. Clear? Then x plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Ax plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So see here, I am giving some examples. 2x plus 3 to the power 5 into dx will be, here the coefficient of x is 2. So write 1 by 2 into 2x plus 3 to the power 6 by 6 plus c. Because 5 plus 1, n plus 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by 6. Another example. Integration 3 minus 5x to the power 7 into dx. So what is the coefficient of x? It is minus 5, not 5. It is minus 5. So you should write minus 1 by 5. Because it is 1 by a. The formula is 1 by a. So now 3 minus 5x to the power 7 plus 1. It is 8 divided by 8 plus c. Here, see another example I am giving you. Integration 1 by 6x plus 5 to the power 8 into dx. So how to do this one? Take 6x plus 5 to the power 8 to the numerator. Because it is in the numerator. So 6x plus 5 to the power minus 8 into dx. So it will be, what is the coefficient of x? It is 6. So you should write 1 by 6. Then 6x plus 5 to the power minus 8 plus 1. It will be minus 7. Minus 7 divided by minus 7 plus c. Then multiply these two. Here also you should multiply these two. Here also you should multiply these two. You should write 6 into 12. 8 5 is 40. And here also 7 6 are 42. And minus will come to this side. Okay. And see. If you will apply this formula directly, simply it will take 3 to 4 seconds. Always count the time, how much time it takes, and try to do in seconds, in few seconds, in 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 50 seconds. Don't go to minute, because in each and every entrance, your time is only 1 minute to solve the question and to mark the encircle and to read the question and everything. That means to solve the question, you have only 32 seconds and it is calculated by some great IITians. Clear? But I am not an IITian. But they told us by training that only 32 seconds is for the students to calculate the problems. Okay. See here. Then what is the formula I have told you? First of all, you should write the coefficient of A. Its reciprocal. Coefficient of x. You should write its reciprocal. That means if the coefficient of x is A, you should write 1 by A. Then x plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Clear? Can you do this or not? And try to do directly these type of problems. Notice, for example, see here. I am giving an example. Some students will be thinking that, sir, I will write, I will expand this one. I should write a plus b. I should apply a plus b whole square. Then I will integrate. Okay. If I give you 200, then apply the binomial theorem. You will get the answer. How many terms will be there? 201 terms. Because a plus b whole square means it will be 3 terms. A plus b whole cube, there will be 4 terms. So in a plus b to the power 200, there will be 201 terms. So expand 201 terms, then write the answer. Clear? So the coefficient of x is 2, so write 1 by 2, then 2x plus 3 to the power 201 divided by 201 plus c. Clear? Again, another question I am giving you, see here. Integration 3x minus 5 to the power 2 by 3 into dx. If the power is a fraction, then you cannot expand. But here it is possible. It will take 2 hours or 3 hours, but you can do. But here you cannot do. You should apply the formula directly, or you should do by the process which I have proved this formula. Okay, so how to apply directly? The coefficient of x is 3, so 1 by 3, 3x minus 5 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1. It will be 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 plus c. Then 3 cancel out. 3x minus 5 to the power 5 by 3 plus c. Clear? Simply tell the truth. It is clear to you or not? Can you do the problems directly or not. But in the exam, these are 0 mark questions. That means in 3 mark question or 2 mark questions, it will be a one part of the question. That means see here. What I am going to tell you. Integration x to the power 4 plus 5 into 2x minus 7 to the power 1 by 2 whole into dx. The question is like this. So how to do this one? X to the power 4 dx. It will be x to the power 5 by 5. But the formula is x to the power n into dx. X to the n plus 1 n plus 1 plus 5 is there outside the bracket. So now apply the formula. Ax plus b to the power n. Here the coefficient of x is 2. So 1 by 2 into 2x minus 7 to the power half plus 1. It is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 to cancel out. Remain x to the power 5 by 5 plus 5 by 3 2x minus 7 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Clear? And I am given from each type. Negative power, positive power, fraction, everything. Clear? So try to do the problems from your book. First of all, remember this formula, then try to do these problems. This type of problems. Okay. Thank you.